Hello student, in last lecture we learned optimizing website. Okay, there are various sections of website which can be optimized for better SEO. So you are already aware of SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. Now when we are creating any website, at that time we think that the website created by us will be shown at the first location when any user will use the keyword of our website. Okay. So for that purpose, for getting the first place into the search engine, we are using the search engine optimization. Okay. Now for optimizing the website, there are certain recommendations like title tag, meta description tag, heading tag, okay, and image tag with ALT attribute. So that we have already learned in last video. Okay. Now today we are going to learn creating robots.txt and SEO audit. So first we will see creating robots.txt. Okay. So see what is meant by creating robots.txt. This file tells search engine which pages you want to exclude from indexing. Okay. For example, if you do not want a certain page or image being indexed, then you can restrict that page from being indexed. Now see what is meant by robot.txt. So here by using robots.txt we can exclude certain image which we do not want on the web page. Okay. So this will remove that image. Okay. Now see search engine optimization audit. Now you are aware of the word audit. What is meant by audit? This word we are listen into the commerce field. Okay. There are certain companies, certain organizations, they have to go through the audit at the end of their academic year. For example, we know that March month, after the end of March, there will be audit of the organizations. Institutional organizations have to go through the audit process, and when these institutions are doing their audit in the month of April, they will have to give all the details of their bills throughout the years, for what they have purchased, they have taken certain items, books, etc., etc. Okay. Same way companies are also go through the audit, and through that audit they have maintain their records. Okay. Like ledger, and they will tally the accounts by using the audit. Now same way here also there is a search engine optimization audit, and SEO audit helps to find out what could be done to improve ranking on search engines so that consumers could find the website with greater ease. It analyzes the website's health. Now, you are remember one thing, and there will be always a question on this thing. The dash dash will analyzes the website's health. So, your answer is SEO audit analyzes the website's health. Okay. What is the use of SEO audit? It is used for analyzing the website's health. Okay. Now, for example, SEO Matter, SEO Optimizer are few free SEO audit tools available on net. Okay. SEO Optimizer, SEO Optimizer is a free SEO audit tool that will perform a detailed SEO analysis. It will provide clear and actionable recommendations that can be taken to improve your online presence. The URLs are as follows: https://seomatter.com/free SEO audit tools, and another one https://www.seooptimizer.com. The following figures display the SEO analysis using SEO Optimizer website. Okay, here you will see that get a free SEO audit. Here is one figure, and in that when you are clicking on the first link, we will get this type of look on our web browser. Okay. Now, here at this location we have to provide the website for which we are going to do the audit, SEO audit. Okay. So, you will provide here the website URL and click on submit, then you will get the audit and reporting tool of the particular website using SEO audit tool. Okay. Then you will see here in this figure SEO audit and reporting tool. Here you can see A, B plus, A, B, A plus, A plus. Okay. Then here you can also see that SEO Optimizer will give you your page could be better. There are certain suggestions or recommendations that you can see here. There is a screenshot of your website. Okay. Then SEO B plus, visibility D. Okay. So, this type of suggestions will be given by the audit of this SEO tools. Okay. Here we have a suggestions like title tag, meta tag, description tag, then the heading level tags, whether we are using the proper headings at the proper locations or not. This type of certain suggestions are provided here in this audit report. Now, see what are the results for SEO Optimizer will in SEO audit tools. So, see audit results for SEO Optimizer will have following details: overall ranking of the site. It will help for overall ranking of the site. Then recommendations for improvements. Here suppose some suggestions and recommendations are given by the SEO audit to improve our site. Then search engine optimization, usability of the website, then performance of the website, social links, connected social accountings. Okay. So then we will see security parameters. It helps for security parameters SSL, secure socket layer enabled, means our website is secure or not, that will be also said by this SEO audit tool. Okay. Then it tells about HTTPS redirects, email privacy. Okay. Then it also tells us header content recommendations, title and meta description, then body content which have header tags, body content recommendations, keyword consistency, amount of content in the pages, etc. Okay. And then there is a link. Now in last video we are known about the backlinks. Okay. So here we are suggested about the number of backlinks, broken links, friendly links and on page links by using the audit tool. Okay. And lastly, technology list which is used in the website. So these are the certain suggestions that we can get by using the SEO audit. Okay. Hello student. Now we will see SEO audit and how we can check the website SEO audit by using the free sites. Here this is the free site which will check the website and tells us about the website. Here by clicking on this SEOmatter.com we will get this type of dialog box. Here get a free SEO audit in 3 minutes. Okay. Check your website's overall SEO health and get detailed report identifying any issues we find. Okay. So here in this box we have to provide the name of the site. So here geodirect.in, this is the name of website. By clicking on submit, in this way we can check the audit of this website. Okay. So see, you will get the message. It usually takes about 3 minutes to finish crawling your website and generate reports. Okay. Now here is 2%, then it increases and goes up to 100%, and when this will finish we get the audit report regarding the provided website. Okay. And when we get the report, we will have a different types of suggestions with the screenshot of website. Then we have suggestions like usability, secure socket layer, privacy, backlinks, etc., etc. Okay. And now you will see 70% and 93% process has been take place. Okay. And once it is finished, we get the report in the form of PDF. So see how this PDF will looks. Here is the PDF of Get Geo Direct. Okay, so see, here is the screenshot of the website. We can see Google index not applicable. Okay, then page indexation, that is 19. On page research, it will show us the on page result, title, description and heading tag H1. Then secure, it shows us SEO friendly test which contains SSL certificate, www resolve, privacy, terms and disclaimer. Okay, trailing slash in URLs, Google page speed, usability, safe browsing check, fake on existence check, social network linking and crawling of website with sitemap availability check and robots.txt availability checks. Then it shows us the HTML tag. Okay, tag informations, URL informations, tag title too long information, duplicated value tags information, missed or blank meta description, H1 tag too long information, H1 tag too short information, content quality, duplicate content, the amount of content, okay, page content and text statistics, etc. And finally it shows us the conclusion regarding the website. Okay, so this will be done with the help of SEO audit tool. Okay, and finally it shows us this type of message regarding the website which is created by any user. Okay, thank you.